What's up, family? It's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with something real cute. This is right up my alley. Yes, it's a crochet braid video for all my crochet braid lovers. I told you I'm going to be infusing that back into my channel. Y'all, check the face. I'm getting better. Y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing in a minute. I'm telling you now. Now, the majority of the style is already done because it's a basic crochet style with individuals. I'm going to show you. I left 2 of my plaits out, so I'm going to show you exactly the method that I use to do the individual crochet braids. But the hair, this is from Janet Collection. This is their 3-strand Havana Mambo box Poetic Justice style pre-feathered handmade 36-inch braids. It's a lot to it. Okay? As you can see, they are very long, 36 inches. Ignorant braids. Ignorant box braids. Yes! And the color I got was OET 1B Burgundy. Regular crochet. And then, see, it just fades into burgundy and it's long. Woo. Oh, and for those of you asking about this big old hoopty hoop bonnet, I got it from my local beauty supply store. This is how you do the individual. And yes, you guys, I've decided to stop cutting my hair. I'm letting it grow out. I miss my TWA already. Okay, so you plait your hair in a box. You take your crochet hook and you go underneath, latch hook on, close the hook, pull through, regular crochet as of right now. Everything's regular degular. Okay. Now, I don't like anything tight or heavy, so I don't pull it to where it's like super duper tight. Take the length of your plait and go down a little bit further. Now get that out the way. Start from the back of the braid and go push through, then push back, almost like you're weaving. Then push through the back, then through the front. Through the back, through the front. Through the back, through the front, through the back. Until you just can't go anymore. Then you grab your braid, latch it in the hook, and then you pull it through, and you'll probably see the end. That's because you have to then pull this braid down. See? Yeah. I like to start from the back, then push it from the front to the back, then push it from the back to the front. You're going through the actual braid, right in the middle. Bam, from the front to the back. Now the hook's in the back of the braid, push it back to the front. Now it's in the front, push it back to the back, and you're moving up as you're doing this. You're moving up the braid. Push it to the front. I got a little bit more space left, so I'm gonna push it to the back. Then grab your braid, hook it in the hook, close it, pull it through the braid, then just bam, bam. So I'm gonna just put some swoop-a-doops. So maybe if hopefully I don't fall.
You can see how long and luxurious, long and luxurious. Yes, honey.
Yes.
I'm about to go get a McFlurry because I'm loving it.